Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for joining today's webinar session. My name is Shrikar, and I will be your presenter today. Today's topic is how Moldex 3D can help with the simulation of compression molding and Prepreg Overmolding. Now, as all of you are aware, composites manufacturing has been a topic of focus recently, and more people are starting to study the behavior of composites during compression molding. And this is what I hope to cover during today's session. Now, before we start, I'd like to request everyone to please keep your microphones muted, and as and when you have any questions, please feel free to type them in the chat box and we'll address them towards the end of the webinar, towards the end of my presentation. At the end of the webinar, we'll be sending you a short survey for you to fill out, and then once you fill that out, we'll be sending out the webinar recording to everyone. So when it comes to composites manufacturing process, you're talking about different types of composite materials. In general, you can classify or separate your composite materials into two types. One is a continuous type and the other is a discontinuous composite material. When it comes to discontinuous composite materials, you again have thermoplastic matrices such as your GMTs, your LFTs, or discontinuous LFTs. And then when it comes to the thermoset matrix, then you're talking about your SMCs, sheet or bulk molding compounds. All of these are the discontinuous type. But when you talk about the continuous type, then you have you're dealing with a whole different animal. You have a preform or a prepreg, and then you're talking about unidirectional or bidirectional, whether it's a thermoplastic preform, whether it's a thermoset preform, etc. So when you talk about the fiber orientations or the fiber, how the fiber is aligned inside these different types, the discontinuous type, you basically have either randomly oriented or aligned, and in the continuous type, you have aligned or as a fabric.